Welcome back, everybody. There are two popular questions this time of year. Is it safe to griddle outdoors in the cold, in the winter? And how do I store my griddle for the winter? Let's talk about it. A little bit of snow on my griddle today. Looks beautiful, doesn't it? I better dust it off. Blackstone griddle tops are made out of steel. We season them with oil because we want to create a protective surface that prevents rust and also creates a non-stick cooking surface. Most important thing is to have your griddle top properly seasoned, which brings us to two options: cooking in the winter, cooking in cold weather, versus storing your griddle in the winter. Some of you might be surprised to know that it's perfectly safe to cook in the winter. The Blackstone griddle is an object. It doesn't have any feelings, but we do. Sometimes I might not want to get out and cook in the cold weather, but other times I get bundled up and I do it. So if you're brave enough to get out in the elements and cook, the Blackstone griddle doesn't care. It's steel and it's fire. So if you choose to cook outdoors in the winter, you might want to have appropriate attire, maybe a patio heater or two. Shout out to Mr. Heater. They've been sending me heaters for over a decade. So whether you choose to cook in the winter like I do or store it, you still have to protect your griddle top. That's taken care of here because we have an attached hood on this Pro Series, and it's taken care of here with a hard cover. This is one of the Black Friday griddles this year at Walmart. Let me know down below if anybody picked up a new griddle for Black Friday. Covering your griddle top with a hard surface, like the hard cover, like the hood, is paramount. When I first started cooking on a Blackstone 12 years ago, we didn't have hard covers and we didn't have hoods. I used to lay a piece of plywood across the top of my griddle because I found out that water would seep or leak through my soft cover and it would stick to the griddle top. So you need to get a hard surface on top of your griddle top that doesn't allow moisture to drip in. If you're cooking, make sure your griddle top, your hood have cooled down. It's snowing today, so you want to wipe the snow off. And the next and most important piece of equipment is a soft cover. The soft cover is going to further prevent moisture from going into your griddle top, and it's also going to protect your cabinets, anything you have stored underneath. Soft covers are available wherever you buy your griddle. So Pro Series griddle from Walmart, soft cover from Walmart. Now I just have to winterize my couches. Whether you're talking couches, pizza ovens, pellet grills, Black Friday griddle, just keep them protected. But other than that, get out there, have fun cooking in the snow. I've been doing it for years. If you're following me on Instagram or Facebook, share those photos. Give me some pictures of you outdoors in the elements, cooking in the snow. And if you don't want to cook in the winter, that's okay. Some people choose to oil up their griddle tops, cover them, move them into a garage or into a storage room for the winter. But I'm looking for new members of my cold weather griddling club, so submit your application. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you're watching all the shows on the Blackstone Network because we have a lot of them. Until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the snow.